Hello, I'm Chris and welcome to this video about my B-book. This book is made as a gift. It's going to go off to somebody who lives a long way away and who doesn't get a chance to see their family or hear their voices. So it's 3D printed. We've got a bit of a 3-colour thing going on here. If you look, this is layered. To give us a yellow layer, black white layer and white layer. This has all been printed on our Prusa i3. Up on top of that little antennae. These need a bit of a bobble or something at the end yet, but we'll get that finished at some point soon. Then we'll open it up. So inside, we've got here a loudspeaker just taped over at the minute because I'm in the workshop. I don't want swarf getting in there. 8 buttons down here, and a well here. And what we've done is we bought a make your own board book, children's board book, which you can get stuck in here with double-sided tape. And that is that will open up into this side, and the pages have photographs of family members on them, and also a colour. And you press the associated colour, and it will play a recording of their voice. That's pretty much it for inside. A few little bumpers here just to mean it shuts onto something. This one here is important, you'll find out in a minute. We flip it over and have a look in the back here. Battery back in. So back here we've got a little battery bay. We've got this, which is a generic Chinese bought MP3 player board. So that has a little SD card slot here, which is accessible from the battery bay to change it. Power in here, and then 8 pins and a ground. And shorting those pins to ground plays the associated track, which is chosen by file name. So 001 is number 1, 002, blah de blah. A little volume control there, and an amplifier on board. Driving baby speaker, hidden there. Cable's passed down here. Got a buck converter in here, which is taking the 9 volts from the battery, changing that to 5 volts for the board. Then hidden away underneath that is a reed switch. And that's a bit of an odd reed switch, in that reed switch is normally closed. So in the presence of a magnet, it opens and turns off. There's a magnet in the front of the book, and when the book is closed, comes in contact with the reed switch, shuts off the power and turns the unit off. Another little magnet stashed down there, holds the book shut, makes another magnet on the other side. Then 8 buttons down here, which, when you press them, play the sound. And that is that. As I say, just some balls to put at the end of the antennae. The back of the B is still on the printer currently. I'll show you that in a second. And that'll be glued on the back here. Some screws here for the battery bay, which is already printed. So that cover will sit on there within a cutout in the back cover. And that is that. Hopefully it'll be played with for many years to come. And I'll just quickly show you over here on the printer. There's the back, just starting to be printed. That again will have layer changes to do colour changes. That will get us through black for black stripes, and then white for the wings, which are on the back. And that is my B-book. Thanks for watching.